Good morning. I'm having my coffee and I'm gonna go crazy if he continues to rip these bubbles apart to play with them. Hey. So it's currently 10:54, so 11. I woke up initially at 7. I put the vlog up, I did everything. I did Instagram posts, stories. He found another bubble now. Simba, please. For the love of God, stop. Oh. So, I woke up early this morning. I posted a vlog and did all the other stuff that needs to be done. And then I went back to sleep because I was exhausted from yesterday. And not only that I went back to sleep, but I went back to sleep until like 10 something. And I mean, I didn't sleep that much because I went back to sleep at 9, so just 1 hour extra, but I felt like that hour was exactly what I needed to be able to go through today. Today is not gonna be that busy, but I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere. I have online classes at uni, but I need to clean this apartment and potentially go to Tesco to find if they have any advent calendars, because I forgot about advent calendars, and then December 1st came and I didn't have anything to open, and I want to buy the puka ones, the tea ones, or any other tea one, or the chocolate ones, but I just forgot, so I didn't buy any of them. And now he's gone down to play with the bubbles again. This is all he does these days. Cooking some lunch at the moment, as you might have seen me doing. I'm just doing some pasta with green pesto, parmesan, and some tomatoes. I usually use cherry tomatoes, but I ran out and my fridge is almost completely empty, and I'm so excited because what I wanted to do was use up all of the ingredients that I've had and I've hoarded in the past years, so they don't expire. I mean, I've never hoarded anything because I don't have space to do that, and also because I wouldn't do that, hopefully. But I've just bought replacements every time, and at one point I just stopped using that ingredient, but I was left with the replacements. So now I would like to to use up everything that I have so they don't get to waste. Anyways, I'm just cooking some pasta. The pasta's boiling in there. This is where I'm gonna fry some onions and some garlic. I've cut up the tomatoes and I'm just gonna put the green pesto on top with some of these yeast flakes. And yes, there is still a mess in there. I haven't started to clean because I'm still at uni. I have my iPad there because I'm waiting for a private tutorial with my teacher, and I'm waiting for him to come up because he has to go through everyone else. But I'm just gonna cook something and then I'm gonna get to the cleaning part. And this is my help. Hello, Simba. You wanna say anything to the camera? You know I have fans already. Simba. So basically, I decided it's too much. I need to do something with this room. It's so messy. It's not even mess. I mean, it's just messy. It's not like dirty or anything, but it's just so full of clutter that I need to do something. So I'm just gonna pop you somewhere in an empty place in this mess, and I'm gonna start cleaning out the bedroom, because whenever it's, well, I don't see myself. Yeah. So basically, whenever it's messy in my house, in my bedroom, whatever, I feel unorganized and I can't be productive. I can't do anything. And uni is starting to get serious. I have a lot of deadlines in a short period of time. I'm working as a freelancer, so that means I'll have to do everything by myself, which I love. I chose to be a freelancer, but it's a lot. And I need my house to be clean in order for me to start working on other stuff, because otherwise it just doesn't work for me. So I need to clean this out, and then I'm gonna move to the living room and the kitchen. And by tonight, I need everything to look perfect. My boyfriend is off to work, so I'm just gonna clean and put something in the background, and I'm gonna relax and clean the heck out of this. That's it for today's Vlogmas. It's only 20 to 6, so I finished cleaning up the flat quite early. So I'm gonna have an evening to work. I have a lot of work to do for uni. I have a lot of work to do for work tomorrow morning, and I'm just gonna take this time to fully work and fully focus. So I'm gonna finish this vlog now. I'm gonna start editing it, and I'm gonna upload it, so I make sure that tomorrow it's 8 a.m. sharp for you. And that was it for today. I hope you liked my mini cleaning section of the vlog. I really like to watch other people clean, and other people like time-lapse themselves doing stuff around the house. I don't know, I find that satisfying and motivational as well. So that's why I'm including these parts in my vlogs, because it's some parts that I really enjoy watching other people's vlog as well. But I hope you had a wonderful day, or evening, or morning, and you're gonna have an amazing day today if you're watching it in the morning. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!